Morning students. Today we'll go for the module 2 of exercise 3.1. I think last exercise means this exercise only the sums what I've given in the homework. I think you people have done that is easy only on the basis of the formula. Today we'll start with exercise 3.1 and the module 2. I've seen written the exercise this question of 14 Roman 1. What is given? See 2x minus y plus 3 and 2x minus y minus 3. Then from here what I've taken, let 2x minus y equals to a. Any variable you can take rather than x and y. So I did a plus 3 and a minus 3. The a plus 3 means a plus b, a minus b. What is the formula? A whole square minus b whole square. See, now I substitute the value of a. What is the value of a? 2x minus y. 2x minus y whole square minus 3 whole square. Now I open this bracket by formula a minus b whole square formula. Now it is coming, see, 16x square minus 4xy plus y square minus 9. In these kind of questions, you see that very carefully that this sign and sign, so you have to match it. See, like this what I've done. Some questions I'll be giving homework also today. Same questions are there in the exercises also. Next, we are coming with 17 Roman 1. What is the question given? See, a 2p plus 3q 4p square minus 6pq plus 9q square. Then from here what I've written, see, a plus b, that is the formula. I can write down over here a 2p whole square minus 2p into 3q plus 3q. See, this is the formula of, see, I've written below also. See, this is the formula of a plus b whole cube formula. Clear? The a plus b I've written over here, see, matching this one, a whole square, and this is also a into b. That means this is a and this is b, written a into b. Now we form this scheme, and the final answer is 8p cube plus 27q cube. Next is coming, see, 22. If a square plus 4a plus x equals to a plus 2 whole square, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now from here, see, a square plus 4a plus x equals to that question I've written over here. Now I just what I've done, I've opened this one, this right hand side in the a plus b whole square form. See what I've written. Now from here what you got, a square plus 4a plus x equals to a square plus 2a plus 4. See, these 4 and this 4a will be cancelled out, and this x square and x square will cancel out. You can do by taking this side also, but before that I told you we can easily count down when the if it is given equal to sign and both the sides are given same sign, that time we can cancel it out. Okay, now finally we have got x equals to 4. Questions also, this questions last time in class 8 also you have done. Very easy sum. I'm not going to throw much, I'm just telling you the format. These are this kind of question. 99, 98, if it is given 102, might be, see, 99 if it is given, what have we done? 100 minus 1. If it's given 102, what I should have written? 100 plus 2. Always you try to make the value of a, that means this one will be at the 10th place or 100th place, like that. That will be more easy to find it out, to make the formula of a minus b whole square formula. After that I have solved this one. You have done this. I am not going to so much of these things. Now it is very important, one question is there, the example is also given, but I still have made you understand. See, in this part what I've written, see, this is also a formula. If a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. What I've written, if a plus b plus c equals 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. This is a formula. Okay, now we will be proving. How we will prove that it is given that a plus b plus c is given 0, then from here I can write down a plus b equals to minus c. This minus c, c will be transposing over here. Now see, cubing both sides I have written. Cubing both sides means what? A plus b whole cube minus c whole cube. A plus b whole cube, you know the formula a cube. This formula I have written over here, and equals to minus c whole cube. Now in place of this, in the second step, see, in place of a plus b I have written down minus c. Why? As because we know a plus b equals to minus c, and here also see I have written same thing, since a plus b equals to minus c. Now put the value, we'll see that minus 3abc is coming after multiplying this one, plus into minus will be minus, and it is coming minus. Now you take this is minus c cube into the left hand side and this one to the right hand side. See, now the value is coming a plus b plus c equals to 3abc. Okay, this same question, we'll do one question also. Now Now see what I've written one question that from exercise 3.1 only, that 30 Roman 1, without actually calculating the cubes, find the values. Without see cube is given, I can easily find it out by cubing this one. It will take lot of time. If you like 27 to 27, 27 again 17 to 17, 17 again 10 to 10, it will take lot of time. Then from here what I've written, a equals to 27, b equals to minus 17, c equals to minus 10. Then we know that when a plus b plus c equals 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. I've written 3abc. Okay, then from here see 27 plus minus, this was written same thing, 27 minus c 17 minus 10, it is coming c 0. Clear? See. Okay, next is c, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. I know the formula. Then from here I put the value of a, this is the a, this is b, and this is c. Now after multiplying c, it is coming 13770. I hope you've understood this question also, and this is the proof one also. This is very important. This question is very important. This is a very important for the point of view on the for the exam also. This kind of question is comes for the proving how it came. Okay, I think don't have any problem and regarding these questions also and the previous also. The last is almost over, and the last important on the information, same thing. We very attentive. We are going to give the syllabus also. Try to do the chapters what you are going in the classes, means in the online classes, and that chapters every day you practice in home. Practice in home. This is very important topic what I am telling now. This practice practice regularly, at least 10 to 15 sums. If you have completed the chapter also, same chapters you repeat, and repeat. And if you want to watch the video also, if you want to make it any some regarding any problem is there, you can see the video as many times as you want. Okay, thank you, stay safe, have a great day, bye.